This video is going to go over Oklahoma warrant searches. So we're going to go over the databases and the public and the private databases available to you to find warrant information in the state of Oklahoma. To get started, visit oklahomapublicrecords.com. I will put a link in the description, or you can just type that into your browser. On the front page, you will notice an alphabetized list of the multiple public databases available to you in the state of Oklahoma. So maybe they might be useful for all sorts of reasons, but this video is about warrants. So we have created specific pages for the most sought after records. So anything from background checks to criminal records. If you hover over other records, it'll also give you more options here. And so let's select warrant. And what you'll notice is Oklahoma State doesn't have a statewide system to search for warrants, but it does have at the county level. So the local counties, the local sheriff's departments or police departments, they will display lists, not all the time, but we are covering the most populous counties here. So you're able to look at some of these documents and their lists at the sheriff's level or at the police department level. So if there is a database available and we were able to find it, we have it here for you. Another thing to consider is anytime a warrant happens, let's say it's a bench warrant or an arrest warrant, a judge has to approve it. And so anytime a judge approves something, depending on the situation, it creates a court document, and court documents are considered a public record. And like I said, it also depends on the situation. So you're also able to utilize court records in some cases to locate warrant information. So you can also click on the court records tab and see if you can find any documents using court records. There's a couple of options here available in the state of Oklahoma that you can use. There is also a name search on top, and this utilizes this is a private database that utilizes private resources and public resources. And what it looks at is not only local, county, or state resources. It goes outside the states. It pulls records from multiple states, multiple counties. And so you're able to get that big picture view. So somebody might have some criminal information coming out of Georgia or Florida or Texas, and now maybe they're living in Oklahoma and you're trying to locate this information. It's not necessarily going to show up if you're just looking at local county records or city records. So it's a good idea to use both together, and including the court records to make sure you're covering all your bases. So once again, it's oklahomapublicrecords.com. Come on down and get started on your Oklahoma warrant search.